In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove an album from a folder on your iPhone's Photos gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then tap right here to head over to albums, and if you got some folders, you are able to easily find them among your albums. To see your all albums, tap right here at see all. As you can see, I got a folder here, and that folder include one single album. To remove that album from folder, we just need to long press on it and then tap at delete album. Keep in mind that the photos will not be deleted. That's how you can easily delete album from a folder. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.